How much does it cost to run a dehumidifier? To know the answer, we'll need to be clear about a few factors. We'll discuss them step by step to get the right explanation. Electric dehumidifier, how it works? Before heading to the brief discussion, let's understand the working process of a dehumidifier. There is a metal surface in it that stays cool all the time. How long should you run a dehumidifier? Running the dehumidifier 24 hours a day will damage the internal parts, and as a result, the longevity will decrease. What is the Energy Star rating in a dehumidifier? An energy factor of 1.90 or more is needed if the capacity is less than 75 pints per day. For 75 and 180 pints, 2.80 is mandatory.